Hey students, welcome to Learn Smarter and Remember Faster. So let's see what we're going to do today. So today we are going to learn about a mathematics topic, that is mensuration. Okay. And what we are exactly going to learn over here is that we have to keep in mind, we will just discuss about like what is the concept of perimeter, what is the concept of area. It is a very short video, so you will definitely love it, and it will definitely give you an idea of how to solve different sums. So regarding the sum, as I have already done that, I will upload a different video for the sums. So definitely in this video, try to understand the meaning of perimeter and area, because this is the basic and you have to understand for solving higher mathematical problems. Okay, so let's move ahead. So over here we can see it's a two-dimensional figure, right, which is said to be a rectangle. Okay, now if I talk about the perimeter, what does it mean? Perimeter is actually the total distance around its boundary. That means what? This is one arrow, this is another, this is another. So upon addition of all these four sides of the boundaries, we can definitely going to get the thing. Now what is area? Area is actually the shaded portion shown inside the figure. Okay, area is the shaded portion shown in this figure. So inside this figure, you can see there is a checks kind of stuff, that is a whitish kind of portion. So that is actually the area. So when someone tell us that it might be like in this case, it is a very like simple thing, that's a rectangle, but it might be happening that there are 10 sides of a polygon, and from there you have to find out the perimeter. So what you have to perimeter means, perimeter का मतलब ही होता है boundary. अगर कोई बोलता है कि फाइंड आउट द पेरीमीटर ऑफ दैट प्लॉट, तो तुमको नोट कुछ भी नहीं सोच के यू हैव टू जस्ट गो एंड जस्ट फाइंड आउट द लेंथ ऑफ द टोटल बाउंड्री एंड दैट विल बी इट. पूरा बाउंड्री का जो टोटल लेंथ होगा दैट इज सेड टू बी द पेरीमीटर. एंड अबाउट द एरिया इज व्हाट, जो जो बाउंड्री के अंदर जो रीजन आ रहा है, द पोर्शन व्हिच इज बीइंग कवर्ड इनसाइड द बाउंड्री इज सेड टू बी द एरिया. Okay, now we know that rectangle is a four-sided closed figure with opposite sides equal and each angle is 90 degrees. So again, I will definitely suggest you please try to watch my previous video on parallelogram or on quadrilaterals. Okay, specifically on quadrilaterals. So in quadrilaterals I have discussed everything about rectangle, so wahan pe jaake you can definitely watch it and think that whether it was helpful or not, but definitely it will be helpful for you. But we know that it is something like this. What we will do is, let us consider the longer side BL. So you see we have marked, and the shorter side be B, that is breadth. Okay, now how I will just do it. So since the opposite sides are equal, that means there will be two length and two breadth, right? So therefore it is giving me 2L plus 2B for the perimeter, right? And which will be equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Area is what? Area is actually equal to length into breadth. Okay, now what else is there? Now, so over here it was very much clear. So suppose over here we are thinking about something like this. Okay, so suppose if there is something like this, the structure is something like this. Okay, the structure is something like the pull-out. So how we will find its you know, the perimeters? In that case I have to definitely find its boundary. Okay, ये जो boundary उसने बनाया है, I have to find it out. Okay, so once I am done with the boundary, once I am done with the boundary, what I will do, I will just add it up. So this is what boundary is. And what about the area? Area is a region inside it. So iska kitna jagah wo le raha hai, this is the area. Okay, this will be the area. Okay, so this is a different thing, so we will not look into this right now, area, but definitely to understand that thing about the, you know, about the perimeter, I have just shown that diagram. So that's no problem. So yeah, this is the thing. Okay, so now what else will you do? So here is again another one. So it is very much clear that it's a square, right? This is 2D structure, which is said to be a square. All the sides of a square are equal, right? So all sides are equal. Now, if I consider each and every side of the square as L, that means each and every side will be L because all the sides are equal. So if it is L, that means all the four sides will be equals to its addition of all the four sides will be equal to its length of the boundary, which is equals to perimeter. So L plus L plus L plus L will give you 4L. Now what will be its area? Area will be length of its side into length of its side, right? So in the previous case, area was length into breadth. So यहाँ पे तो length of the breadth तो अलग कुछ है नहीं, it will be length into its side. So L into L will be equals to L square. Okay. Now, in this red colored box, we will discuss a bit about the units, right? Units of perimeter. So what is the unit of perimeter? So suppose अगर मैं बोल रही हूँ कि each and every side of the square is 2 centimeters. So in that case, my perimeter will be 4 into L, right? That means 4 into 2 centimeter. So it will be centimeter only. So since I'm adding it, right? If the sides are in centimeter, upon addition also it will be centimeter. It can be any measurement of length. मैं तो यहाँ पे बस सेंटीमीटर के एग्जांपल दे रही हूँ, बट इट कैन बी किलोमीटर, इट कैन बी मीटर, इट कैन बी एकड़, थाउजेंड्स ऑफ यूनिट्स आर देयर. सो कोई भी जो जिसमें लेंथ मापा जाता है, अगर उसमें से कोई भी हम लोग अगर मेजरमेंट ले रहे हैं, कोई भी लेंथ का अगर हम लोग कंसिडर कर रहे हैं यूनिट, तो वो काम आएगा. एंड व्हाट अबाउट एरिया? Units of areas, like like we are just multiplying the same units. We always have to multiply the same units. तो अगर same units अगर हम multiply कर रहे हैं, तो it will be centimeter into centimeter, which will give me centimeter square. It will be twice. That is, if of any upon multiplication of any unit length for twice, it will be its square. So of course, if it is 4L, suppose the here the area is 2, right? I have said 2. So in that case, it will be 2 centimeter into 2 centimeter, which will give me 2 centimeter square. Okay, so definitely it is needed. Okay, so over here I have only not shown a single problem related to this. So I will definitely discuss about the problems in my next class. After that we will talk about triangle. So the units are very much important, because without the units you can't. Suppose मैं बोल रही हूँ there is an suppose there is 5 and suppose there is 15. So which one is area and which one is perimeter? You won't be. अगर मैं बोल रही हूँ कि 55 centimeter and 15 centimeter square, so which one is area? This one is area. What is it? This one is perimeter. So unit plays a tremendous important role. So without writing the unit, you are going to get 0 for even giving the correct answer. Okay, so you have to be very careful regarding this. So that was all for today's class. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like. The subscribe button is in below. So please don't forget to subscribe, share, like and share, and I will definitely share the link for quadrilaterals. You should need to watch it and then come over here. This is just the starting of mensuration, so don't worry, we will just do a lot of sums regarding that. Thank you.